center of pressure, then press blanking force, press connect, then thickness, how do you, the number of balls, so how to go. That is what we will discuss now. This is what is given in this sheet. Let me present it. अभी क्या होता है, फोर ऑप्शंस यू हैव टू शो द फोर ऑप्शंस. एक्चुअली यू हैव टू डू ओनली टू ऑप्शन. तो इफ यू रोटेट द स्ट्रिप नो, देन ऑटोमेटिकली दो और ऑप्शन आ जाते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड नो? रोटेट द स्ट्रिप का मतलब समझ में आया?
यस सर. वर्टिकल है तो हॉरिजॉन्टल कर देगा कंपर.
हाँ, वर्टिकल है, हॉरिजॉन्टल. So this is a component we were discussing last time. Just have a look on these dimensions and the sheet size. See, try to understand the difference between a sheet and strip. Okay, so sheet size we are taking, all of you will have to take a sheet size of 2000 by 1000. 2000 by 1000. And from that sheet, you have to cut the strip. So this I am again taking. Last time I might have taken it in a hurry. So this is 80, 30, 40, 40, 60. So this will be a blanking and this will be a punching. Let me admit students. Yeah. Have a look on this. Try to understand this. So is there any other possibility of keeping the component? You can always work out, but minimum at the end, no, minimum 4 calculations you have to show. Or as I repeat, that
Excuse me, sir.
though option. Yes, sir.
Sir, some students are waiting.
Okay. तो इसमें जो दो ऑप्शंस हैं, काउंट बढ़ गया है। इसमें जो दो यू एक्चुअली डू ओनली टू, दूसरा दो ऑप्शंस है वो आपको शीट को घुमाएंगे तो मिल जाता है। ओके, एंड आई होप यू नो व्हाट इज शीट, व्हाट इज स्ट्रिप। सो प्लीज गो थ्रू दिस, टेक पेपर एंड पेन, और कुछ भी डाउट रहेगा तो यू प्लीज आस्क राइट अवे। Take paper and pen. I hope you are understanding. Last time also I had explained this, I am repeating. Nobody is asking the out. This is what is your sheet is. sheet will be always bigger, and for all of you, you will have to take sheet size as 2000 by 1000. Even if in the examination also, if it is not mentioned, you will have to take same. Of course, now this time there will not be any die design in the semester exams. So you will have to take this as 2000 and then this as 1000. This is visible, no? Screen, this what I have drawn.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then out of this, so this is one way of feeding it. And then from these you will cut number of strips. This. Aisa. You cut number of strips. Now how to cut this strip? So this width will depend upon your calculation. बराबर है? So like this, yes. एक component, एक component. Hmm. So this will depend upon your calculation. ये कितना allowance है? How much is this width? How much is this allowance? So depending upon the component, this width will be different. Will differ. Okay. So now given a width of 1000 mm, how many strips you are getting? So first option is like this, and then second option means you are feeding like this, and second option में you will be feeding like this. मतलब आपका जो 2000 रहेगा, वो आशीष बोल रहा था, 2000 will be like this, okay, and your 1000 mm will be like this. Yes, ये आपका 1000 mm. This is so like that you will get four configuration. ये 1000 है, and it will be fed like this. और यहाँ पे आपका strips अभी ऐसा है. This will be strips like this. So here to show only two options here. So this is one option, और दूसरा option है ऐसा था. If you remember, another option was like this. Okay. So how many components in a strip you are getting, and how many strips you are getting, so that how many will be the total number of components, and then what will be the utilization. Based on that, you have to select your strip layout, and once you have selected strip layout, then only you have to go for the die design. So here also same thing. So let's say now this is actually a simple design. ये जो है, when you are taking like this is simple. Okay. Now when you are taking like this, another alternative. So that time this is your one station. ये आपका एक station हो जाता है. That means you will have two punches like this and two cavity like this at one station. Remember, when you are taking. So you have to also see that your die design is not complicated. So if you look for these two options, then this is actually simple. This die is simple. Whereas यहाँ पे क्या होता है? This when you are taking like this, ऐसा. So at one station you are doing this both together. Okay, so you will have this is happening. This both are happening at one station. Remember here one component per stroke. So here two components per stroke. Now इसका disadvantage क्या है? The punch and cavity will be too close. So you have to look at this gap. If this gap is very much close, then when the punch is descending down, so that time it may tear off this gap. At the same time, जो नीचे cavities है, corresponding cavities, उसका जो wall thickness है, that also will collapse. So you have to be careful. I hope you have understood. Hasnal, You understood what I said? जो बोला वो समझ में आया? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
जो बोला वो समझा? What I said, did you understood? Regarding the strip
Sir.
layout. Good. So now let us discuss this. So here it is. So this is one layout. This is another. Okay. And now in this layout, you will get two options. How you will get two options? That is, once you are feeding the strip like this, and in second case you are feeding the strip like this. So that is how you will get the four options. I hope it is clear. So now front and back scrap. So front first is this. Look at this B. Front and back scrap. So this is at the beginning and at the end of the strip. जब भी आप fresh strip डालते हो, I will show in the paint. I will erase this. Just a minute. So what do you mean by front and back scrap? Like say this is ये आपका strip है. Strip हमेशा इसका width है वो छोटा रहेगा strip का width. Let's say this is a strip. So what do you mean by front and back? You cannot first component you cannot start exactly here. Suppose if it is a component is like this. Suppose imagine simple component और इसमें एक hole है. So you cannot start the first component exactly like this, matching with this, or you cannot end the component exactly over here. Okay, so you will have to keep some allowance. That is what is called the front and back. So initially हम लोग जो छोड़ते हैं this ये जो distance है that is what is your front and back. So this you will have to consider once only. Okay, and distance between two components which is called as the pitch, that will be at regular interval like this. This is what is your pitch. ये आपका pitch है. Okay, so that will be regular. Okay, तो मान लो कि ये ऐसा है आपका, and say this is what is your, suppose if this is your आपका strip है. So this is ये आपका pitch हो गया. That you will have to consider for all the components. Plus you have to add this distance and you have to add this distance. ये distance and ये distance. Okay. This is what I was trying to tell you. So now 2 plus 0.015 into 80. So how this has come? 2 plus 0.018 into, can anybody tell me how did you get this front and back stack? So you can either take 2 plus 2 for simplicity, or you can take 0.015 times of h. H is nothing but the width of the component. You can very well take it as 2 plus 2, 4 mm, or even you can take this also 0.015 times the width. So 1.6 plus, I mean whatever it is, 1.2 and 1.2, that is 2.4. This is actually mathematically calculated considering the strength of the material. But as a thumb rule, you can do 2 millimeter and 2 millimeter. Then strip width. So whatever you have calculated this 3.2, so that you will have to add on both the sides. That is this. So in the diagram I will show. So ये जो है ये 3.2 and this is 3.2 and plus this width, so that you will get the total width of the strip. Remember, I am using the word strip. ये आपको मिल गया, ठीक है. Then the scrap bridge, you can take it as 2 mm. Now you will arrive at the strip width, that is 80 plus 2 into 3.2, so 86.4 हो गया. Then pitch. So pitch is nothing but this distance, that is from this point to this point. So this you can take it as 2 mm. So pitch will be 62. I am showing you one calculation. Now suppose if you are feeding like this 2000 in the direction of 2000. So what will be the number of strips per sheet? See, try to don't get confused. Number of strips per sheet कितना आ जाएगा? So it is here. पहला जो मैंने दिखाया था, I will draw it again. So ये आपका ऐसा था sheet. This is what is your sheet is. This ये 2000 है and this is your 1000. Okay, so what will be the number of strips per sheet? ये sheet है 2000 by 1000 का sheet है. So obviously you will have to, many times students 2000 को divide करते हैं. अभी instead of telling 3-4 times also no, I will see in the practical. देखो same mistakes you will do. So अभी 1000 को divide करना है width से, okay, by the width. So 1000 divided by what is the width you got? 86.4. So you will get number of strips as 11.57. Now obviously this 11.57 you will have to consider obviously the integer value, because this 0.7 is of no use. You are not getting the component. फिर भी the students will multiply 11.57 को number of components in spite of telling 3-4 times. The common mistake, because how you can get the components, even if the sheet is, even if you get number of strips as 11.99, then also you have to consider it as 11 only, unless and until you get 12.00. Again and again I am repeating, it has to be you have to consider only the integer value. Now number of pitch. So अभी इसमें कैसे number of pitch में what we'll do here, this is actually number of pitch, मतलब कैसा करेंगे, L minus B divided by pitch. Now pitch कितना है अपना 62. Okay. Now B, actually here you have to take 2 plus 2, मतलब front में भी और back में. So here this student there is a mistake here. So आपका जो length है 2000 minus 4 divided by 62, तो कितना आता है बोलिए? Can anybody tell me if you are active? I will wait. How many components you are getting per strip? Nobody is there. Ashish?
Sir, considering the width to be 60 ना.
हाँ, विड्थ नहीं, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, ये जो है ना नंबर ऑफ पिचेस, ये 32.22 इज रॉन्ग. व्हाई? बिकॉज हियर एल माइनस बी, मतलब एक ही आगे का ही लिया है उसने. अभी मैं ड्राइंग दिखा दूँ, मतलब यू हैव टू कंसिडर दिस एज वेल एज दिस. ये पूरा जो है ना एल में से आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा ना. तो ये 2000 में से दिस इज 2 एंड दिस इज 2. अभी इसमें विड्थ किधर से आएगा? विड्थ विल डिटरमाइन द स्ट्रिप ना. नहीं समझ में आया क्या?
सर मतलब वो 4 एडिशन हमको माइनस करना है ना 1000 में से.
हाँ, तो अभी इसमें 1000 में से नहीं रे होगा, 2000 में से ना. मैं
सर
बोल रहा हूँ
32.19 आ रहा है.
हाँ 32.19. तो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, इसमें ये मिस्टेक, क्या मिस्टेक किया इसने, ये बी जो है ना, एल माइनस बी है ना, वो इट शुड बी ट्वाइस. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग?
2000 माइनस 4 होगा ना.
हाँ, 2000 माइनस 4
डिवाइडेड बाई
डिवाइडेड बाई
62.
पिच 62. अभी इसमें कैसा किया है, 2000 माइनस एक ही बार लिया है 2. अंडरस्टैंड ना. अपने को दोनों लेना पड़ेगा, ये आगे का दो और ये दो. 2 मिलीमीटर, दिस इज 2 मिलीमीटर, दिस इज 2 मिलीमीटर. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? इन ऑर्डर टू गेट, अभी ये अपना इधर कितना है, ये 62 है, ये 62 है, लाइक दैट इट इज, ये सब 62 62 बराबर है वैसा. एम आई राइट? और हसनैन बोलो.
यस सर. सर बट वो जब ही
हाँ, अभी
4
अभी
लिया और
देखो.
2
हाँ,
लिया.
हाँ, अभी ये 2 लिया इधर का, ठीक है. बाद में हम लोग पिच लिया, पिच लिया, पिच लिया, पिच लिया. अभी जो लास्ट का जो पिच है वो थोड़ा आगे जाता है ना. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग
यस सर.
ड्राइंग? सो दैट मीन्स you tell me now whether do you have to consider this or not. बोलो आशीष.
सर करना चाहिए ना दोनों कंसिडर.
नहीं करना चाहिए ना, एक ही कंसिडर करना चाहिए. आई डोंट नो क्यों समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. ये जो
नहीं
टू
क्योंकि
था,
सर हमको वो एंड में भी उतना स्लिप बचा के रखा, मतलब वेस्ट ही है वो भी. बट देन
देखो
हमको
टू था,
एकदम एज पे तो नहीं कर सकते हम लोग वो.
नहीं देखो ना, अभी 2000 माइनस 2, अभी हम लोग पिच जो ले रहे हैं ना, पिच, पिच इज व्हाट इट इज, डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट टू दिस पॉइंट. तो इसमें ये बीच में का भी गैप आता है ना इसमें, ऐसे में बोल रहा हूँ. नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एट द लास्ट कंपोनेंट, देख लो. अभी लास्ट कंपोनेंट का पिच है, वो यहाँ से यहाँ पे नहीं एंड हो रहा है. इट इज नॉट एंडिंग एट दिस पॉइंट. अंडरस्टैंडिंग नो. इट इज एंडिंग लिटिल आगे, इतना डिस्टेंस, विच इज 2. ये जो आपका ये 60 है, ये कंपोनेंट का वेट 60 है, बराबर है. और ये बीच में का गैप है 2. हम लोग पिच लेते हैं 62, तो 60 में 2 में से 62 में ये कंसीडर है, बराबर है. सो व्हाई वी शुड टेक दिस, खाली एक ही आगे का ही लेने का ना, पीछे का लेने का जरूरत नहीं.
यस.
इज इट क्लियर? आई वाज जस्ट टेस्टिंग. हाँ, सो वट एवर इज डन दैट इज करेक्ट, बराबर है. ये जो
यस सर.
32.22. ओके. सो आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू कंफ्यूज यू. तो मैं ऐसे ही कंफ्यूज करते. नाउ व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ कंपोनेंट पर पिच, आपको कितना मिल रहा है एक पिच में. दिस इज द पिच, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, बराबर है. सो यू आर गेटिंग एक पिच में एक कंपोनेंट, बराबर है. सपोज ये सपोज ऐसा सर्कुलर कंपोनेंट, और चलो कंफ्यूज होएगा सर्कुलर में. सपोज इफ देयर आर ट्रायंगुलर कंपोनेंट लाइक दिस, ठीक है. एंड नाउ दिस इज अ पिच, ये आपका पिच है. तो एक पिच में आपको एक कंपोनेंट मिल रहा है. सपोज इफ यू टेक लेआउट लाइक दिस, ऐसा लिया, बाद में ये ऐसा like this, suppose if you do, so अभी पिच क्या हो जाता है, दिस इज व्हाट इज योर पिच इज, बराबर है, ये फ्रॉम सेम पॉइंट टू सेम पॉइंट, ये दिस इज व्हाट इज योर पिच इज। तो अभी एक पिच में कितना कंपोनेंट मिल रहा है,
2 कंपोनेंट।
दो कंपोनेंट। पिच यू कैन कंसिडर लाइक अ स्ट्रोक, बराबर ना। लेकिन इसमें क्या होता है, अभी आपका पंच है और कैविटी और नजदीक नजदीक आ जाएगा, तो दैट यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल। So here number of components per pitch is 1. Now what will be the number of components per sheet? It will be 32 into 11. Okay, this you have to be careful. 32 into number of strips is 11. So ये बराबर है 312, इसका कैलकुलेशन। हेलो, हेलो,
यस सर।
बराबर है ये कैलकुलेशन 312। Number of components per pitch is 1, and like that how many pitches is there, 32, and strips you are getting 11. So is number of components per sheet, is this correct, 312? आशीष, क्या हो गया, चुप क्यों गए?
यस सर।
ये बराबर है, ये 312 बराबर है, is this right, 312? I have been asking for quite a long time that is this 312 calculation, is it correct? कैलकुलेटर नहीं है,
यस सर करेक्ट है।
312 कैसा कैसा किया?
अगर सर ये है, अगर ऊपर के सब वैल्यूज करेक्ट है तो मतलब एच आई और जे उसने जो वहां पे लिख के दिया है वो।
नहीं नहीं, ये 312 कैसा आया?
सर नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रिप्स इनटू नंबर ऑफ कंपोनेंट्स पर स्ट्रिप।
मतलब 11 into 32, बराबर ना?
यस सर। हाँ।
तो 11 into 32 312 हो
नहीं
जाएगी।
नहीं रॉन्ग है रॉन्ग।
ठीक 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 है, हाँ, सो यू प्लीज करेक्ट दैट। हाँ, नाउ परसेंटेज यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ द मटेरियल, सो एरिया ऑफ द कंपोनेंट, एक कंपोनेंट का एरिया निकालना है और टोटल शीट का एरिया डिवाइड करना है। व्हाट इज द टोटल शीट एरिया, कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी व्हाट इज द टोटल शीट एरिया? 2000 by 1000, बराबर ना? सो इट विल बी 2 into 10⁶ millimeter square, and then component का एरिया यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट बाय यूजिंग आपका मेंसुरेशन के फॉर्मूले। by using mensuration के फॉर्मूले you have to calculate the area of the component. Okay, एक suppose area of one component, suppose if it is coming say 50, suppose if I take a rectangle of say 10 by 2, suppose if it is coming 20, so 20 into number of components, ये जो है 312, and divided by the total sheet area, that will give the percentage utilization of the material. Is this clear? नाउ सेम ऑप्शन, मतलब हम लोग एक ही कंपोनेंट कट कर रहे हैं पर स्ट्रोक, ओनली जो स्ट्रिप है, शीट है, वो हम लोग ऐसे करेंगे, तो स्ट्रिप ऐसे कटेंगे, ठीक है, स्ट्रिप। सो इन दिस केस नाउ width etc is same. Now number of strips per sheet, so 2000 divided by, so 23.14 means we have to consider 23, फिर number of components, so 361. Now here obviously ये जो 60% है will be गलत, बराबर ना, या ऐसा है उसने ठोक दिया.
यस सर.
राइट
हाँ.
ना. हाँ, अभी यहाँ पे कंपोनेंट ज्यादा है, यहाँ पे कंपोनेंट्स कम है, तो परसेंटेज यूटिलाइजेशन विल बी मोर हियर. So this is what you have to notice. इसके लिए मैंने आई एम कीपिंग इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. अभी another option is, so this is considered as two option, 1 and 2. Now next option is like this, you are considering, so this is happening at one stroke. एक stroke में आप दो component बना रहे हैं. So now pitch will be from here to here. So this will almost remain same, 3.2. ये भी same रहेगा. Strip width will also remain same here in this case. So don't bother much. So only that you take pitch. Only the pitch will change. अभी pitch कैसा change होएगा? देखो यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक 60 है. Then this gap is 2. That is 62. Then how much is this from here to here? That is 30. और plus आगे का 2 mm. So that will be pitch here. Like I gave an example here. From here to here. So this you have to consider. ये आपको consider करना पड़ेगा. This plus you have to consider this and this. So I'll draw for you this component. ये ऐसा किया है इसने. Now next is like this. ऐसा next stroke में ऐसा हो जाएगा ये. फिर उसका आगे का स्ट्रोक में like this. I'm not फ्रीहैंड में इतना अच्छा नहीं है. So यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक this is what is your pitch. This is what is your pitch. So you'll have to consider this 60, then here 2, then this is 30, and then this is 2. ओके, तो ये आपका हो
सर
गया.
इसमें भी स्क्रैप 2 mm का रखना है ना?
हाँ 2 mm रखो, बीच में का भी गैप है वो भी 2 mm रखो. हाँ, डोंट बॉदर अबाउट दिस 0.015 वगैरह. एक्चुअली कैसा रहता है, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द थिकनेस. अगर थिकनेस है वो अगर ज़्यादा है ना, तो ये जो फैक्टर है 0.015 दैट इज एप्लीकेबल. अगर थिकनेस कम है तो ये जो ब्रिज है वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है, बट 2 mm इज सफिशियंट. देन नाउ इधर अभी देखिए पिच आपका हो गया 94, ये 2000. नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रिप्स आपका ये और ये सेम आएगा. नाउ नंबर ऑफ पिच विल चेंज. Now in this case it will be 2000 divided by कितना 94. ओके जस्ट चेक नाउ, यहाँ पे पिच कितना आया 94. सो ये नंबर ऑफ पिच मतलब एक्चुअली इट इज नंबर ऑफ पिचेस. It is not number of pitch, it is number of pitches, or you can say number of component per strip. Here you can write number of components per strip. So now number of components per strip will be यहाँ पे what is the number of strips 11, and what is the pitch, it is 94. So now you tell me what will be the number of components per strip. So that will be 2000 divided by 94, correct? So how much you are getting? Just check. 2000 divided by 94.
21.
Yeah. 21.21. 27. So you will get 21. Okay. Now in one strokes, number of components per pitch. In one stroke, you are getting two components, isn't it? So what will be the total number of components per strip? This you can change as per your convenience. This. So it will be 21 into 2, that is 42 into 11. Okay. So again there is a mistake here. 42 into 11 will be 420 plus 42. So 420 plus 42 will be 462. Okay. Now same here, you have 480 components. Let us assume this is correct. Then you have already found out the area of the component, which is not going to change. Area of the component to change नहीं होगा. So 480 into area of one component divided by the total area of the sheet. ये अभी join हो गया देखो. Just for the sake of attendance. क्या बोला? And then now you have to change the direction. जो horizontal था उसको vertical करने का and find out. Okay. Now here it is almost components are same, so that's why utilization is same. So now here it is a tie. So obviously, since this type of this layout is easy for handling, we will go for this diagram ऐसे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपका ये ऐसा भी कम है, so this is better for handling. So if the number of components are same, then you can take the decision accordingly. Now once your strip layout is done, then you have to calculate the center of pressure. Now this is what you have finalized. Okay. Now you have to calculate the center of pressure. So center of pressure, it is simple. So if you want, you can try this component first, practice करने के लिए, then you can go for your component. But there are some calculation mistakes here. So you have to divide it into small elements: L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And where is your 7? 7 is this. So for every component, let us take now example of say L1. Okay. So L1 length is, first you have to decide upon the origin. So where is the origin? And then you have to calculate the centroid along x-axis and centroid along y-axis. Now how this has come, this 25 and 35? Can anybody explain me 25 and 35? I'll show the component. That's why you should have drawn the components. Now here this is 60 and this is 80. Okay, 80 का half 40 होता है और 60 का half 30 होता है. So now tell me now how this has come 25 and how this has come 35. ये आपका 60 है एंड ये जो है वो दैट इज 80. आशीष बोलिए. हेलो. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
या ये कैसा किया है? ये 25 35 और ये 94 40 कैसा आया है? This length is 80. Along x-axis it is 25. Along y-axis it is 35. Y is like this, and x is like this, 25. नहीं आ रहा है समझ में? हेलो हेलो. So for calculating this, क्या हो गया? हेलो. You want to tell anything? So now
No, sir.
here, if you want to calculate the center of pressure here, so for this particular component, so you have to consider this, isn't it? Because this is what is your layout is, correct? So how we will calculate the center of pressure for this? So you draw this, and this is going to be together. Now you divide this into different lengths. So you have a punch here, and you have punch here. So you name this L1, L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. Then you have to name these also, and you take this as a origin. Okay, and with respect to this, you find out the center of pressure. So for this particular configuration, you should get somewhere here, isn't it? Am I right, Ashish? यहाँ पे आपको मिलना नहीं है because it is symmetrical. Is it right or no? No, na? Not necessary, na? Because you will get this provided it is symmetrical about this point. But is it symmetrical about this point? No, na? So you will get the center of gravity where it is, where the mass is more. So at that point, you will get the center of gravity. So this is just how to find out the center of gravity, but don't take this as a reference. There are some mistakes. So once you get Lx, then Lx, then Ly, then you know how to find out. So summation of Lx divided by summation of L, that is what will get the center of gravity or center of pressure. So you have to just find out the center of pressure for your final layout which you have decided and not for this. Okay, because you are not going for this now. Other dimensions, how to find out the other dimensions. So other dimensions, this is what is your total calculation. So first you have to do load calculation, then design of fastener, then die block design, then stripper plate design, then punch plate design, back plate design, punch design. And I have shown you one complete die, isn't it? So you are familiar with these components. What is punch plate, what is back plate, what is punch, what is stripper plate. If you are not familiar, then you please go through that one die, one simple die which I have shown, and try to understand what is fastener, what is die block, then what is stripper plate, then what is punch plate, and what is back plate. These components will be there in all the dies. In all the dies, this component will be there. Okay. Now let us study one by one. First, you have to calculate the punching force. Normally, in practice, we just go practically. Right? We don't keep calculating like thickness 20, 25, 30, and we also try to map with the market में कौन सा available. Now, how to calculate the punching force? So, punching force is this perimeter into thickness into allowable stress. So, allowable stress you can take it as for this particular material you can take it as 120. If it is not given, you please write down that value of the allowable stress. I hope you are writing it down. How to calculate the allowable stress? Allowable stress is given as ultimate stress divided by the factor of safety. Simple upper strength of material. And ultimate stress for a particular material you will get in any design data book. And generally the factor of safety is taken as 2. Here factor of safety here is taken 3. You can take 2. Because if you are taking 3, then unnecessarily आपका जो die design है will become heavy. I hope you understand by factor of safety. Like suppose you want to design a lift, and first thing is that for how much weight you have to design the lift. So let us say for 600 kg, 70 kg per person and around 6-7 person. So my lift is designed for means my lift application is that it should carry 700 or 600 kg. Then my design, I will design the lift not for 600 kg. I will design the lift. If I design the lift for 1200 kg, then my factor of safety is 2. If I design the lift for 1800 kg, then my factor of safety will be 3. It's like that. If I design the lift for 900 kg, then factor of safety will be 900 divided by 600, that is 1.5. I say. So if you are taking higher factor of safety, like I want my factor of safety is 3, that means I have to design for 1800 kg, 1.8 टाइप. तो unnecessary मेरा सब plate size है वो सब जाड़ा जाड़ा हो जाएगा. ठीक. So your manufacturing cost will increase. At the same time, you cannot take factor of safety as 1 only. Minimum factor of safety 1 तो होना ही है. But then what happens? Our tendency अभी कैसा रहता है कि instead of 7% अपना टेंडेंसी मालूम है ना, घुस जाते हैं. लाइक बस में भी देखो, ट्रेन में भी देखो. वो जो डब्बा है इट इज डिजाइन फॉर से 500 पीपल, तो 500 की जगह 1000 पर्सन रहते हैं. सो अभी लिफ्ट में भी सपोज 7 की जगह 600 केजी की जगह सपोज 800 केजी हो गया है. इफ योर फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी इज 1, आपका लिफ्ट है वो फेल होने वाला है. ऐसे बिकॉज इवन दिस हैज बीन टोल्ड बाय रतन टाटा. he it's not people that they are misusing. People will always look for the chance, for the loophole. It is that you don't have to give the chance. You should not have loopholes in your design. People will always look for the chance. फिर हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उसको इंटरलॉक लगाएंगे. बराबर है कि जैसा ही 600 kg बढ़ जाता है तो लिफ्ट विल नॉट स्टार्ट. सो दैट्स अ सॉल्यूशन. लेकिन स्टिल हम लोग स्मार्ट है, हम लोग इंटरलॉक वी नो हाउ टू स्किप, बाईपास कैसा करने. कभी कभी some smart people they will skip, they will remove that interlock. प्रेस में भी ऐसे ही होते हैं, इंटरलॉक निकाल देते हैं एंड देन एक्सीडेंट हो जाते हैं. Okay, so if you are taking three, it is too safe and it will be too costly. So better go for two, and then we'll continue next time. This next lecture. आपको डाउट है तो पूछिए. ठीक है, we'll stop.